In Windows 10, you can check your GPU's temperature by just using the Task Manager. But for some of you, that's not working. So in this video, you are going to find out how you can fix that and some other things you can do in case it's not working for you at all. One key point to remember is that you must have a discrete or dedicated GPU for this to work. The first thing you need to do is update Windows 10. And number 2, you need to make sure that your graphics card supports Windows Display Driver Model WDDM 2.4 or higher. Now to check if your GPU supports this, you need to right-click the Start button and then select Run. In the text field, type dxdiag and then click OK. This will open the DirectX Diagnostic tool. If you can't remember it, don't worry, this will be in the video description. From there, click the Display tab and go to the Driver section. And then where you see it says Driver Model, there you go, that's the WDDM version you have. So if you notice that you have WDDM 2.4 or higher, good news. This means this simple trick I will show you is going to work for you. If you don't have WDDM 2.4 or higher, don't worry about it, we are going to see another solution. Alright, so scenario number 1, supposing that you have WDDM 2.4 or higher but still can't see the GPU temperature from the Task Manager. What you can do is update the drivers for your monitor. To do that, we are going to access Windows 10's Device Manager. So right-click the Start button and then select Device Manager. Now you will see a list of device categories on your computer. Look at the Monitor section and expand the arrow next to it. And now you should see the monitor for your PC. Right-click that monitor and then select Update Driver. And now you should see 2 options. You can choose either option, but I recommend choosing the second one, the one that says Browse my computer for drivers, because when I had a similar problem, that option worked for me. And now it's going to ask you to look for where the drivers are on your PC. Instead of doing that, choose this option below that says let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Okay, now make sure the Show Compatible Hardware box is checked and then choose the right driver for your PC. After clicking next, it's going to install the right drivers for your PC. So then all you have to do is restart your computer and then go to the Task Manager again and check to see if the GPU temperature shows up this time. Well, what if even this doesn't work and you still don't see the GPU temperature from the Task Manager? Well, something else you can do as a solution is use another app. 2 of those that you can use are GPU-Z or HWMONITOR. Like the Task Manager, they both can display GPU temperature. And although GPU-Z and HWMONITOR are third-party software, they still work pretty well. Alright, as you can see here, I have GPU-Z and the Task Manager side by side. And look, notice how both of them display similar GPU temperatures of around 42 degrees Celsius. And to see GPU temperatures from GPU-Z, all you have to do is go to the Sensors tab. Okay, some of you may be wondering, this is only for regular usage. What about for more intense usage, such as intense gaming or graphic intensive apps? So, can the temperature readings from an app like GPU-Z match those of the Task Manager, which is all built in? Well, there's only one way to find out, and that's to do a test. So for about 15 minutes, I played some games and some 4K videos just to get the GPU to work harder so that its temperature can increase. And now let's put GPU-Z and the Task Manager side by side again. And as you can see, here as well, there's hardly any difference between them. Both of them are showing me temperature readings of around 50 degrees Celsius. Whereas before this, before I was doing the more intense activity where it was relatively on idle mode, it was around 40 degrees Celsius. So both of them, when I cranked up the activity, went up the same amount. The point is this: yes, Task Manager is built in, but these apps are a great alternative, especially if no matter what you do, you can't see the GPU temperatures from the Task Manager. So what about you guys? What other workarounds or solutions do you have for this? Please write them in the comments below. For more videos like this, please subscribe, and thanks for watching.